Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can add logo or image in Lovable.dev. So basically, I am inside my project right here, which is going to be a travel application or website. And now to add your logo, you can just click on the plus icon, click on the attach button, and from here you then want to look for your logo. Now in my case, I'm going to be using this example right here only, but of course you can then go ahead and upload any image you want to. Now in my case, I'm going to put it beside the Kazakhstan travel. So I'm going to insert something like put this picture beside the travel and make sure that it's also clickable and will take you to the homepage. And now if you hit on the enter button, Lovable.dev will then go ahead and transform this specific photo into a logo right here that people can go ahead and interact with. So as you can see, within less than a minute, it has managed to do this task right here. So if I click on the Kazakhstan travel, it will then go ahead and take me to the home page of my website right here. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.